Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of CallApp. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about CallApp as you see and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And then you will enter to the window of storage and you can click here. After that you will enter to clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.